Lo mchagalo namandla otshengisa ukwephula kwamalungelo obuntu eSwatini engiyo yodwa inarha esabuswa ngekambiso yobukhosi ngokupheleleka enarhakazini yeAfrika. Abachagali bathi bafuna inarha le ibe nedemokhrasi. Bathi inhlangano zepolitiki isivala umlomo azikhona ukungenela amakhetho. INUMSA ithi ngenyanga epheleleko zikhuphuke khulu izenzo zokukhahlunyezwa kwabahlali ngesihluku bakhahlunyezwa nguhulumende enarheni leya. I-union ithi amapholisa kunye namajoni abonakala khandela ngesihluku imchagalo ebeyinokuthula.
We've characterized the Mswati regime as a brutal authoritarian regime, as a monarchy, which in terms of the demands of the working class must be removed. And this is a demand that we support wholeheartedly.
Inhlangano zifuna kuchatshululwe nabachagala ababotshweko babawe nomkhandlu wezamalungelo obuntu ngaphakathi kwehlangano yenitshaba ezibumbeneko bona kube nekwenzako.
One of the demands we are making is for the UN Council to call an urgent meeting to discuss response to what is happening currently in Eswatini. We are also asking the UN to issue member states, observer states of the Council with the notice of what is currently happening.
Imchagalo le yathoma ngemva kokuthi kubulawe umfundi wezomthetho ngomkhayili esahlakalweni satshengisa ukuthi amapholisa nawo ayathindeka kulokhu kubulala. Imchagalo le yaya ngokuqina lokho imphathimandla nazithi azikazi ukuvuma ukuthi kube nezinye imfuno eziqaliswe ngewenyameni uMswati osela neminyaka ema-35 abusinarha leya.